How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Slow Cooking Sunday. So in today's video, we're going to be making beef carne Adovada. So stay with me with this one because I don't have a clue. I think it's basically kind of like soft tacos, but I'm not too sure yet, obviously, because we've not done it. So the first thing we're going to do is 560 ml of water into a bowl. Now 4 tablespoons of chili powder. And now 3/4 teaspoon of flour. And now lastly, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. I've just freshly squeezed that. I'm just going to use a fork and just properly mix it all together. Make sure none of it's separated. We want it to be nice and balanced. Sorry about quality, I'm filming this late at night, so it will be better come the morning because this has to be marinated overnight. Now into that mix, you want to add 750 grams of diced beef. Just make sure it's all nicely coated in. Don't want to leave any of it like exposed to the surface too much. That should do. And now we're going to cover it with cling film. I'm going to stick it in the fridge for 8 to 12 hours. So I shall see you tomorrow. Okay, so here we go. I've had it in for quite a while, to be honest, longer than I was intending to at first, but that is all marinated in really nicely because it's actually soaked in a lot. So now I'm going to stick it into the slow cooker. And now we're going to cook this on high for 4.5 hours. Okay, so the 4.5 hours is done, so let's see what we've got. Looks like a big gloopy mess, but let's get a spoon and give it a quick stir. Okay, so obviously we're not going to be using like the liquid from it. So I picked the wrong spoon really, I should have got the one with the holes in. It smells pretty nice, to be fair. So the way to eat it is on a wrap, so obviously wrapped up with a choice of salads and sauces. It does recommend salsa, sour cream and guacamole, so I'm going to stick all that on right now. So obviously have this for a choice of your own salad. You say things like tomato, I'd go with red onion. Obviously I've just put some lettuce on for now, just to give this one a quick try. Now I want to put some of this beautiful stuff on. I'm so hoping it tastes good. Let's have a go. Now comes the impossible part for me of actually folding this up. So I actually didn't do too bad a job. I've watched a few of those Taco Bell videos recently, so I think I'm getting there on actually making it into like a burrito kind of wrap. Here it is, the moment of truth. That's really good. My God, yeah. That's really good. Got some stuck on tooth, I like that. That's really good. It's just seasoned so perfectly. It's not too hot. And all the fillings in it just go so well with it as well. It's quite cheap to make, which is really good at the moment especially. But, sorry, I just got interrupted there by my daughter. But yeah, no, what I'm saying is really good, really easy. Something, you know, it's just so easy to throw together as well. I think if you bought like those mini wraps, this would be really fun to do with like having people over. For example, it's going to be bonfire night soon. These would be quite fun to have out, I think. Not as traditional, but yeah, really good, really tasty, and something you could have cold as well the next day and for dinner. And just, yeah, I can't recommend making them enough, really. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please let me know down in the comments what you think. Leave a like, obviously enjoyed this video, and subscribe if you're not already. And other than that, thank you so much, guys, for watching. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye.